I was playing story time, and he left after right before halftime. He got a penalty. It was roughing the passer with 0 seconds left, and it put me on the 12-yard line. So I went for with no time. Since the penalty, I got an extra play. I scored a touchdown, so it put me up by 2 scores. You can see it says the connection to your peer has been lost. It's an Atlanta Falcons game versus the 49ers. I was the 49ers about to kick a field goal. Let's go to his gamer thing. Go to friends. Sorry about that. Go to friends and go to my recent players. He is not on there because he was on my friends list. Where is he? Well, he probably deleted me as a friend. Oh, nope. Last online 1 minute ago. Right here. Turned off his Xbox and he's offline. So that should be good enough proof to show that he quit. He has disputed the match already, so that's why I'm taking the video. Alright.